Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. Today I'm going to show you a concept called as voltage relaxation. This is my 12 volts bike battery and I'm charging it using this device. The link to this device is also given in the description. So currently 3.8 amperes of current is flowing. 22 degrees Celsius is the temperature of this unit, and the voltage, the most important thing, the voltage is 14.1 volt. So basically this unit is basically converting the AC into DC and then applying that DC voltage across this battery, positive to positive, negative to negative. So this battery is being applied 14 volts of current across it. So due to this, what happens, certain chemical reactions happen within the battery, so that this electrical energy gets saved into chemical energy. And when we remove these terminals, means when we stop charging and we put this battery back into my bike, then this battery starts doing exactly opposite chemical reactions, so that a charge is maintained between these two terminals, and it is usually of 12 volts because this is a 12 volts battery. Got the idea? This is how a battery functions. Now I'll show you a concept. See, what is the currently applied voltage? It should be 14 volts. Yeah, it is 13.9, almost 14 volts. Now what I'll do is I'll turn this off. As soon as I turn this off, now look at the voltage. The voltage across the battery is dropping to 11.4 volt, 11.3 volts, and it will keep on dropping until it stabilizes at a more stable value, which is called as the stable voltage of the battery. Okay, and this concept that as soon as you stop charging the battery, the voltage across the battery terminals decreases until it stabilizes to the stable voltage. This concept of voltage dropping is called as voltage relaxation. So now that you know what is voltage relaxation, let us try to find out what is the reason behind it. So as I explained it to you earlier, when you charge the battery, electrical energy gets converted to chemical energy, and when you use the battery, chemical energy gets converted to electrical energy. Exactly opposite reactions happen in both these cases. So both these reactions are pretty much spontaneous, and if the components, ingredients for a reaction are there, then usually it just happens. You cannot stop it. It's not like, you can discipline everybody that, oh, this reaction has to happen and that reaction should not happen. In fact, both the reactions happen simultaneously to some extent, but the overall cumulative effect while charging is that electrical energy is getting converted to chemical, but also very at a minuscule scale, chemical energy is also getting converted to electrical energy. Both the reactions are happening, but cumulatively you see that the battery gets charged. Okay, and opposite is true while the battery is getting discharged or battery is getting used. Okay, now what happens is, as soon as you stop charging, then again this stabilization, it will take a time for a balance to be struck between these two reactions. It's like, have you ever seen, suppose there's a tube like this and you pour it with water, and you pour one side a little higher than the other side, so it keeps on pendulating between the two, and then it takes a while before it stabilizes. Okay, and both of them come to the same level. So this also, in this case also, both these reactions take some time to stabilize, and that is called as the stable or true voltage of this battery. And the phenomenon that as soon as you stop charging the battery's voltage keeps dropping until it reaches the stable voltage. That phenomenon is called as voltage relaxation. Okay, now let us see what is the true voltage of the battery. I don't think it is 11 volts. It should be even lesser because I have just started charging it. It will drop for a couple of hours, I guess, and maybe it should stabilize around 10 volts. Okay, now how much of voltage relaxation is normal? If it is a 12 volt battery and you have just started charging it, and if it drops by 2 volts, it's absolutely okay. There is no problem at all. The problem is if it is dropping by 5 volts or more, then it is a problem. Okay, otherwise it is absolutely okay. This is a healthy battery, as I'm showing to you. It was being charged at 13 point some volt, and now it has dropped up to 11 volts. It's absolutely okay. 2 volts drop, and that too when I just started charging it, is an indication that this battery is pretty healthy. If you still want to recover your bad battery, then the way to do it is, in your battery charger there must be a repair button. So first of all, let me turn this on. Now there is this repair button. When you press this button, then notice what you see over here. Now it is saying that it is pulsating. Pulsating means it applies a lot of charge and then no charge, charge, no charge, charge, no charge. So this basically what it does is, it tries to revive your battery. This is the way to repair your battery. Okay? So there are two things you learned today. One is what is voltage relaxation. Another is how to rejuvenate your battery if it is very old and if it is not holding the charge. Okay, and until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much for seeing the video till the end. It does mean a lot to me. Could you also please see the video description? It has index, link to the study material, and also if I've shown any products in this video, then the purchase links to those products. The comment section is open for your suggestions and also for your doubts. I always answer to the first 100 comments on every single video. If you want to support my work, here's my QR code, or my UPI ID is amit.shirasao@UPI. Until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram.